In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Asana with Trello step by step. Whether you want to automatically create Asana tasks from Trello cards or fully sync both tools in real time, I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to set up the integration. For this example, we're inside a board called Agile, but you can use any board you manage. Once you're inside your board, look for the Power-Ups section. You'll find it in the top menu of your Trello board. Click on Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups Marketplace. In the search bar, type Asana. You'll now see two main options for integrating Asana with Trello. The first option is called Asana Integration by API Labz. The second option is Asana plus Trello two-way sync by Unito. Let's go through both so you understand the difference. Starting with the Asana integration by API Labz, this option is ideal if you primarily work in Trello but want to create Asana tasks from your Trello cards. Click on Asana Integration, then click Add. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Add again to enable the power-up on your board. Once enabled, you'll need to authenticate your accounts. First, sign into your Asana account and grant the necessary permissions. This secure connection allows the power-up to create tasks inside your selected Asana projects. After authentication, you'll go through a configuration setup, where you choose which Asana workspace and project should receive tasks from Trello. Now, whenever you open a Trello card, you'll see the option to create a corresponding Asana task. With a single click, the card's details can be turned into an Asana task, saving you from copying and pasting information manually. This is especially useful for teams that manage visual workflows in Trello, but report and track deliverables in Asana. Keep in mind that API Labz uses a credit-based pricing model. Typically, 1 credit equals 1 task generation, and credits can be purchased as needed. This makes it flexible for both light and heavy users. Now let's look at the second option, which is Asana plus Trello two-way sync by Unito. Go back to the Power-Ups Marketplace and select the Unito Power-Up, then click Add to enable it on your board. Unito is designed for real-time two-way synchronization. That means changes made in Trello can automatically reflect in Asana, and updates in Asana can sync back to Trello. After adding the power-up, you'll start a flow setup process. You'll connect your Trello board to a specific Asana project. During setup, you can map fields between the two platforms. For example, you can sync task titles with card names, descriptions with descriptions, due dates, assignees, comments, tags, labels, and even custom fields. This mapping step is powerful because it gives you full control over what information stays aligned between both tools. Once the flow is active, everything updates automatically in real time. If someone changes a due date in Asana, it updates in Trello. If a comment is added to a Trello card, it appears in Asana. This is perfect for cross-functional teams where some members work in Trello and others work in Asana, but everyone needs full visibility without switching platforms. Unito offers a free trial, and after that, you'll need a paid subscription depending on your usage and features like custom field syncing. So which one should you choose? If you simply want to create Asana tasks from Trello cards, go with the API Labz Asana integration. If you need full two-way real-time synchronization between Trello and Asana, then Unito is the better solution. And that's it. That's exactly how to integrate Asana with Trello using power-ups, whether you want one-way task creation or full two-way sync. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step productivity and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.